Greetings and thank you all for joining us. Welcome to an exciting journey into the fascinating world of gut health. I'm thrilled to have you here as we embark on this enlightening exploration together. Please be sure to stay to the very end, absorbing every bit of extraordinary information and gaining this powerful knowledge for the number one greatest tip in ensuring your gut health wellness. As a gut health specialist, I've dedicated my career to unraveling the mysteries of our digestive system and its profound impact on our overall well-being. Today, I'm excited to share with you the essential information acquired along the way. In recent years, gut health has become a hot topic in the wellness world, and for good reason. Our gut plays a crucial role in numerous bodily functions beyond just digestion. From influencing our mood to boosting our immune system, the state of our gut can significantly affect our quality of life. It's no wonder that more and more people are becoming interested in nurturing their gut health. Throughout our discussion, we'll delve into the intricacies of gut health, exploring its importance, the anatomy of our digestive system, and the characteristics of a healthy gut. We'll also look at cutting-edge research and practical tips to help you improve your gut health. My goal is to provide you with clear, science-based information that you can easily understand and apply to your daily life. So grab a cup of your favorite gut-friendly beverage, perhaps a soothing herbal tea, get comfortable, and let's dive into the wonderful world of gut health. I promise you'll come away with a newfound appreciation for the incredible ecosystem residing within your body and the knowledge to nurture it. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to good gut health? Let's begin. Let's start by demystifying the term gut health. In simple terms, gut health refers to the balance and function of the bacteria in your gastrointestinal tract. This includes your stomach, small intestine, and large intestine, or colon. When we talk about gut health, we're essentially discussing the well-being of the trillions of microorganisms that call your digestive system home. These tiny creatures, collectively known as your gut microbiome, play a vital role in your overall health. Your gut microbiome is a complex ecosystem composed of various types of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms. While the word bacteria might make you think of harmful germs, many of these microorganisms are actually beneficial and essential for your health. They help break down food, produce vitamins, and even communicate with your immune system. The key to good gut health lies in maintaining a diverse and balanced microbiome. The concept of gut health goes beyond just having a happy tummy. It encompasses the entire functioning of your digestive system, including how well you digest and absorb nutrients, the regularity of your bowel movements, and the absence of digestive discomfort. A healthy gut also means having a strong gut barrier, which prevents harmful substances from entering your bloodstream while allowing beneficial nutrients to pass through. It's important to note that gut health is not a static state, but rather a dynamic process. Your gut microbiome is constantly changing in response to various factors, including your diet, lifestyle, stress levels, and even your sleep patterns. This means that you have the power to influence your gut health through your daily choices. Understanding this basic concept of gut health sets the foundation for appreciating its importance and learning how to nurture it effectively. The importance of gut health extends far beyond the confines of your digestive system. In fact, the state of your gut can influence nearly every aspect of your health. This intricate connection between your gut and the rest of your body is often referred to as the gut-body axis. Understanding this connection helps us appreciate why maintaining good gut health is crucial for overall well-being. One of the most significant connections is the gut-brain axis. Your gut and brain are in constant communication, sending signals back and forth via the vagus nerve. This connection explains why you might feel butterflies in your stomach when you're nervous, or why stress can lead to digestive issues. Moreover, your gut produces many of the same neurotransmitters found in your brain, including serotonin, often called the happy hormone. In fact, about 95% of your body's serotonin is produced in your gut, highlighting the potential impact of gut health on mood and mental well-being. The gut also plays a crucial role in your immune system. Approximately 70 to 80% of your immune cells reside in your gut. The beneficial bacteria in your gut help train your immune system to distinguish between harmful invaders and harmless substances. A healthy gut microbiome can help strengthen your immune defenses, potentially reducing your risk of infections and autoimmune diseases. Furthermore, your gut health can influence your skin health, the gut-skin axis, your heart health, the gut-heart axis, and even your bone health. It can affect your metabolism, potentially impacting your weight and risk of metabolic disorders like diabetes. The far-reaching effects of gut health underscore why it's so important to pay attention to this often overlooked aspect of our health. By nurturing your gut, you're not just supporting your digestive system, you're investing in your overall health and well-being. To truly appreciate the importance of gut health, it's helpful to understand the basic anatomy and function of your digestive system. Your digestive system is a complex network of organs working together to break down food, absorb nutrients, and eliminate waste. Let's take a journey through this remarkable system, starting from the moment food enters your mouth. The digestive process begins in your mouth, where chewing and saliva start breaking down food. From there, food travels down the esophagus and into the stomach. The stomach acts like a mixer, churning food and bathing it in acidic gastric juices to further break it down. Next, the partially digested food moves into the small intestine, where most nutrient absorption occurs. The small intestine is lined with tiny finger-like projections called villi, which increase the surface area for absorption. After the small intestine, what's left of the food enters the large intestine, also known as the colon. The colon's main job is to absorb water and electrolytes from the remaining indigestible food matter. This is also where most of your gut bacteria reside. These bacteria ferment undigested fibers, producing beneficial compounds like short-chain fatty acids. Finally, the remaining waste is eliminated from the body as feces. Throughout this entire process, various organs play supporting roles. The liver produces bile to help break down fats, the gallbladder stores this bile until it's needed, and the pancreas releases enzymes to aid in digestion. This intricate system works tirelessly to extract nutrients from your food and maintain your health. Understanding this process helps us appreciate the complexity of our digestive system and the importance of supporting it through good gut health practices. Hallmarks of a healthy gut. Now that we understand the basics of gut health and the anatomy of our digestive system, let's explore what actually constitutes a healthy gut. While everyone's gut is unique, there are several key indicators that suggest your gut is in good shape. Understanding these hallmarks can help you assess your own gut health and identify areas for improvement. First and foremost, a healthy gut is characterized by regular, comfortable bowel movements. This typically means having a bowel movement anywhere from 3 times a day to 3 times a week, depending on what's normal for you. The stool should be well-formed, easy to pass, and not accompanied by pain, excessive gas, or bloating. If you're curious about what healthy stool looks like, the Bristol Stool Chart is a useful tool that categorizes stool into 7 types based on its form and consistency. Another sign of a healthy gut is efficient digestion and nutrient absorption. This means you're able to eat a wide variety of foods without experiencing discomfort, and your body is effectively extracting the nutrients it needs from your diet. You should feel energized after meals, not sluggish or uncomfortable. Additionally, a healthy gut is associated with clear skin, stable mood, and good overall energy levels throughout the day. A diverse and balanced gut microbiome is also crucial for gut health. While we can't see our gut bacteria without a microscope, their effects are far-reaching. A healthy gut microbiome helps maintain a strong gut barrier, produces beneficial compounds, and supports immune function. Signs of a healthy gut microbiome include good tolerance to different foods, a robust immune system, you don't get sick often, and even a good night's sleep, as certain gut bacteria can influence sleep patterns. The ripple effect. how gut health impacts your life. Gut health affects your energy, mood, and skin. Prioritizing gut health can transform your daily life. A healthy gut means sustained energy and stable blood sugar. An unhealthy gut leads to fatigue and nutrient deficiencies. Gut health also impacts your mood and mental well-being. A healthy gut produces serotonin, boosting happiness. Poor gut health can cause mood swings and anxiety. Your skin reflects your gut health. A healthy gut leads to clear, glowing skin. Lastly, gut health boosts your immune system. Invest in your gut for better overall health. Cutting-edge research. What science says about gut health. The field of gut health research is rapidly evolving, reshaping our understanding of the gut microbiome and its impact on our health. Let's explore some exciting findings that highlight the importance of gut health. One area gaining attention is the role of the gut microbiome in mental health. A 2019 study found a correlation between certain gut bacteria and depression. This suggests the gut microbiome could be a target for treating depression. Another fascinating area is the impact of diet on gut health. A 2021 study found that fermented foods increased microbial diversity and reduced inflammation. Recent research has also highlighted the gut's role in immune function. A 2021 review discussed how the gut microbiome influences COVID-19 severity. Lastly, an exciting area is the potential use of personalized probiotics. This technology could revolutionize how we approach gut health and disease treatment. Nourishing your gut. Practical tips and tricks. Let's focus on practical ways you can nurture your gut health in your daily life. Small, consistent changes can make a big difference. Here are some specific suggestions to help you on your journey to better gut health. First, diversify your diet. A varied diet promotes a diverse gut microbiome. Aim to eat a wide range of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Incorporate fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, or kombucha. Start with small amounts and gradually increase to avoid digestive discomfort. Include prebiotic-rich foods like garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, bananas, and oats. Manage stress, exercise regularly, and prioritize good sleep habits. These lifestyle factors can significantly impact your gut health and overall well-being. And the number one singularly greatest tip in establishing and maintaining good gut health? Well, the secret is that it's really not just one single tip at all. It is an overall mindset and perspective. There's not just one individual effort to be made, but rather a well-rounded regimen of consistent wellness. This will ensure ongoing desired results. And besides, who doesn't just want to feel good? Thank you for joining us on this gut health journey. We hope that you found this information helpful and insightful. Your interest in understanding and improving your gut health is a significant step towards better overall health and well-being. We invite you to share this video with others who might be interested. By sharing knowledge, we can inspire curiosity, ignite conversations, and foster a deeper knowing and understanding. Thank you for joining us on Healthy You, and until next time, keep exploring, keep learning, keep evolving, and stay healthy.